Hello, dear students. Let's start our online mathematics class. Open your book, page number 191. Page number 191. 24-hour clock time. 24-hour clock is used at railway stations or airports, but we used 12-hour clock time. Normally, 12-hour clock time is used, but in railway station and airports 24-hour clock time is used. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM, ante-meridiem. The time between 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted by PM, post-meridiem. Here you see it is 12-hour clock time and these are 24-hour clock time. We compare both the time. 12 midnight in 12-hour clock time, but 0000 hours or 2400 hours in 24-hour clock time. 1 AM in 12-hour clock time, 0100 hours in 24-hour clock time. 5 AM is 12-hour clock time, 0500 hours is 24-hour clock time. So in 24-hour clock time, 4 digits are used to express time. 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits used to express time. First 2 digits denote hours and last 2 digits denote minutes. First 2 digit for hours and last 2 digit for minutes. Okay. After 12 noon, when the time is in PM, add 12 hours to change it into 24 hours clock time. Okay. Example, suppose 1:05 PM. This time is in PM, so just you add 12 hours, then you will get the 24 hours clock time. Okay. Then page number 193, finding time. What time will be 5 hours 20 minutes before 13:30 hours? So here you see 5 hours 20 minutes before 13:30 minutes. That means 13 hours 30 minutes. Just we add 5 hours 20 minutes. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here we have to subtract. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. So your time is 0810 hours in 24-hour clock time and 0810 8 hours 10 minutes AM in 12-hour clock time. Then one more example, 2 hours 35 minutes before 4:10 PM. The time is in PM, so first convert it into 24 hours clock time. So we had add 12 hours, 0, 1, 6, 1. Then now 16 hours 10 minutes. Then subtract 2 hours 35 minutes. So 10 minus 35. It is not possible because here is 10 minutes, here is 35 minutes. So we borrow 1 hour, that means 60 minutes. Okay, then add with 10, here 15 hours left is equal to 70. Then now subtract. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then here 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. So your answer is 1335 hours in 24-hour clock time. In 12-hour clock time, 1 hour 35 minutes PM. Okay. The next example 13. What time will be 2 hours 7 minutes after 11:50 hours? Here you say after. If the question is in after, then you have to add. If the question is in before, then you have to subtract. Okay. So today your homework is exercise 14.4. Thank you, dear students.